Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have brought information regarding one of the most toughest exam in India, that is UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. And if you are an IAS aspirant, then this video is especially for you. And अगर आप नए भी हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप देख सकते हो इसे, आप you will get motivated. So today we will see some major points that takes an IAS aspirant from his or her house to the gate of Labasna. So before starting this video, I would like to say you something that views are coming but likes and subscribes are not coming. So बहुत मेहनत लगती है इसको बनाने में, 3-4 घंटे बैठने पड़ते हैं पीसी पे, फिर बनती है ये वीडियो. तो बस मैं इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप इसे सब्सक्राइब करें. When you subscribe and like, I get motivated and I will bring some more videos. So let's begin the video. I said a word Labasna, then you will ask what is Labasna. Then let me tell you, Labasna is an IAS training institution that is in Mussoorie, and its total full form is Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. So after completing your prelims examination, civil service examination, completing interview, you are brought here for training, and here you are taught 5 foundation course. In first course you will be sent to doing mountain trekking, etc. So we don't have to worry about this thing right now. We will focus on those points, those main points which will help you in which will motivate you towards UPSC exam. So let's begin. The first point will be, first one is plan studies and time management, second one is hard work, third one is dedication, fourth one is patience, fifth one is self-confidence. So one by one we will see each one of them in brief. I will not make the video long. So plan studies and time management, one of the most important. The biggest cause is that time manage नहीं हो पाता और क्वेश्चन छूट जाते हैं. तो for time management, first of all you have to prepare a daily routine, and as per that routine you have to do the jobs. So इसमें भी प्रॉब्लम आती है कि हमारा हर दिन सेम नहीं होता, तो कैसे क्या करें. So before going to bed, a day before the next day, you have to prepare in mind that आने वाला डे कैसा होगा. उसके हिसाब से आप अपने सारे डेली रूटीन को माइंड में सेट करो, और फिर उसी के हिसाब से नेक्स्ट डे उठो और जो भी आपने सेट किया है उसे प्रॉपरली करो. बट आपके डेली शेड्यूल में इतना फिट होना चाहिए कि आप 5 से 6 घंटे पढ़ सको, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर क्रैकिंग यूपीएससी. इफ़ यू कैन नॉट गिव मिनिमम रेंज ऑफ स्टडिंग, दैट इज़ 5 to 6 hours, बिकॉज यूपीएससी कवर्स अ वास्ट रेंज. So you are not going to crack it. So second one is hard work. Remember, there is no substitutes to hard work, and hard work is the first prerequisite for the success. In Hindi I will speak, then this hard work is Ram Baan Ilaj for all the success. And remember, this is your goal, this is your job, this is your aim, and no one is coming to help you. You will have to finish your entire course yourself, and we all know that civil service is like a marathon race. So like a fit racer, you will have to prepare yourself, and there is a general rule for the survival of the fittest. So never leave the hope, never give up, and work hard as much as you can. And now we will see the third, dedication, because I had said you I cannot make the video so long. So if you want any specific video, you can comment me. Third is dedication. Dedication towards your duty always pays in life. If you have affection towards your job, if you really love doing your work, nothing can stop you from going bottom to the top in your specified job. So if any hurdle come in your path, and once you kicked it out, nothing can stop you from achieving your destiny, from achieving your goal. So be totally dedicated and focused in your studies, and I have said you earlier that this is your goal, this is your aim. So you have to identify that hurdle and you have to kick it out. So now we will see one of the most, you can say it, uttermost requirement, that is patience, that is dharya. So the preparation of UPSC spans at least 1 year of preparation, from preliminary stage to the interview stage. So it requires a lot of patience to maintain your tempo at this time, because you are preparing 5 to 6 hours. So you may feel tired and sick of further studying during the course of your preparation, but maintain your cool and patience, and so to break the monotony of studies. Every aspirant tries to top in the first attempt itself. If you don't get through, please don't get frustrated. Don't slow down your tempo, and at the same time you should keep patience for another year, because you have to reap the fruit of success. So fifth one is self-confidence. So this is very much important in this amazing society, because here you meet a lot of people. Some can discourage you, some can encourage you, and your self-confidence can create the difference in this society. If you don't believe in yourself and your capacity to achieve, then no matter how hard you try, you will end up failing. So your self-confidence should be at an all-time high always. You should be in the good company of people who can encourage your motivational level high and can help you. Keep good friends, because these are always a source of information and motivation. If you fail and if you will find that I am giving up, then these friends will help you. They will say you, no, you have ability, you can achieve your goal. So now I have to end this video, and thanks for watching the video up to the last. Please like, subscribe and share, and I always do my best to bring best motivational video for you. So bye bye.